Zip code for Visa gift card. How to find zip code. So if you want to find the zip code for your Visa gift card, first of all, it is important to understand a couple of things. That is that a Visa gift card does not have a specific zip code associated with it because gift cards are not tied to a physical address. So when using a Visa gift card online, you typically use the code of your shipping address or your own home zip code if needed, as the system may just be checking for a valid code. So by nature, Visa gift card are not tied to a physical address, so it does not have a zip code. But if it asks you for a zip code, then in that case, you can just enter the zip code of your home zip code where you're trying to deliver the order to if you're using on a shopping website, or your own zip code if needed. So I hope this video helps you clarify. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.